Oh, hello. Lovely to see you again here. We're gonna chop some clothes on the floor, as usual.
I am not a pimp with a limp, I'm a man with a gift, and I'm doing my shit like
My plan for this dress is just to chop her in half. She is a little too short for me, to the point where if I were to raise my arms higher than this, I would be flashing everyone. And that's not what I'm trying to do when I'm wearing clothes. But I think that this will work as a skirt and a top. Oh, okay, let's get thrift flipping. I want to cut above this little tie band because I feel like from there I can just kind of fold the edge in and sew it, and then the skirt will be done, and then all I'll need to do is hem the bottom of the shirt. So that's more or less the game plan. We're just gonna chop. I don't want to jinx myself by saying, oh, this is so simple, but I feel like this one is a generally easy one. I think all we're going to do now is do a little rolled hem. We'll roll once, and then we'll roll one more time so that the raw edge is sewn in and won't be exposed to the world. Definitely think that we do need to take in the sides a bit for this to like look right, because I feel like in its current form it's just kind of silly looking. You know what? I think that actually worked. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. The issue with this is I don't really know like what to do about this top edge. Do I necessarily need to do anything? I just finished the edge, and you know what? I kind of actually like it being a little uncut and frilly, so I don't even think I'm gonna like hand sew and fold it over. I just think she's done. I am so into how this one came out, and I feel like this was such a great solution for the problem that I had about this dress being too short, because now that they're separate, the skirt can just stay at the same length and I can have freedom in my arms again, which is so nice. I actually love how I kept the top hem of the skirt raw. I feel like it kind of adds to the frilliness of this skirt, because I feel like it is really frilly and girly. And I think the best part about this is I can have these as a set or as separates, and as separates, so cute. I feel like I can just make so much more use out of these two pieces. I am gonna say that this thrift flip was a massive success. We are moving on to this white dress, and the issue with this is that it's really tight in my legs and my bum, and it's also super short. So the goal is to just turn this into a top. We have the complication of there being a zipper. This one's just gonna be hard. Okay, we have some like sewing science to figure out here. I think the game plan is to cut out and reinstall it, but upside down. So the top part will remain connected and we'll zip the top downwards. I don't know if that makes sense, but I think that that is the only way the zipper will work, because if I put the zipper at the bottom and the bottom has to stay attached, there's no way it's going to be able to fit over my shoulders. But if it's just my neck hole that has to go through and then the zipper is on the back side and like going down, then like I have a top like that, so I know it works. Anyways, that's the plan. hand sew the zipper because I am not about to try to install an invisible zipper with the sewing machine. I don't even think I have the right foot. Apparently you need a special foot for the sewing machine, and that's not something that I have within my possession. Anyways, so let's just begin. Oh my gosh, I have to like squat down to like share my thoughts with you guys. I am in love with how this shirt came out. I think that this is going to serve so much more of a purpose in my closet than it did as a dress. I have to be honest, when it was a dress, I only wore it once, and the whole time I was so uncomfortable, but I feel so good in this shirt. Like I really genuinely think this will probably be one of my new most worn pieces, especially for fall. So, okay, this one was another success, but now it's time to get into a piece that maybe wasn't as much of a success. I woke up sick this morning, so if all goes well, I seriously think this project has the ability to restore my health. The piece we have today is this vest, which is so cool. I picked this up at a vintage store. I think it is incredibly beautiful, which is why I want to do something with it. The plan is to take the bottom half and turn it into a wrap skirt. I feel like we could do a few different things, or not. Actually, I think that there's really only one option. I'm not entirely sure this is gonna go the way I want it to. Also thinking like the simplest solution I think would be to place a hook and eye clasp right here to secure on the inside, and then a hook and eye clasp here to secure on the outside, and then it's just kind of like super simple and done. Was a partial success. It's not perfect by any means. It bunches up in the low back right above my bum, and I feel like that's not the most flattering, but also at the same time, I don't think it's like bad enough to the point where this is unwearable. I'm definitely gonna keep this skirt because I think it's really cool and I think it's really unique and I'm in love with it. But I hope that as my skills improve, maybe I will be able to improve the fit of this skirt. But until that day, I'd say this is like a win. You know, maybe like 80% of the way there, but we still made it. I love how I'm like literally just in my swimsuit doing this now. I was laying in the sun for a little bit today. Also, you may have noticed I have these shorts on inside out. These are our next project. These shorts, like, they fit okay. They're not like perfect though. They're a tiny bit big in the waist still. And that's such like a quick and easy fix. These shorts were, again, the easiest thing that we did in the video, and I just literally did one seam on either side of the shorts right at the waistband, and it did leave kind of like a little flare sort of thing going on the side hips, but not anything to the point of like noticing or seeing it and being like, that is obviously done poorly. I'd say because of that, this is a 100% success. These shorts fit now, which is great. They were just like a tiny little bit too big, but big enough to the point where I never wore them. And I love these shorts. They're so comfortable. I feel like they're so perfect for fall, and I can't wait to get more use out of them in my closet. And on that note, we are going to wrap up this video. I would definitely say that we had some massive successes, some like questionable successes, but all in all, I think that all of these pieces are gonna add so much value to my fall wardrobe, and I can't wait to style them throughout the season. So if you wanna see me wearing and styling these pieces, I have so many fun fall style videos coming up for you guys, which I'm so excited about. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss, and give this video a thumbs up if you are liking these little sewing videos that we are doing here. So anyways, until next week, bye friends.